Yes, we'll recognize now Mr. Rush from Illinois for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Madam Chairperson. Let me just ask both Mrs. Torreano and Mr. Cohen. PEG is sometimes portrayed as a burdensome requirement. Does PEG offer advantages to both of your companies, and what are those advantages, and what are some of the disadvantages? In other words, is there a profit advantage or advantage that would be defined monetarily for the offering of these PEG channels to your companies? Ms. Torreano, why don't you start with that?
Well, I think that the consumer, our customer, your constituents, want PEG channels. I mentioned before that I, as a mom, I watched PEG channels. So yes, I think that there is a business reason to provide it. They're part of our communities. It's information that our customers want, and it's something that I think they've become used to, and for different reasons, and different people have different reasons. So yes, I think it is an important part, and we, in our offering, UVerse offering, we think it's important. In fact, our PEG offering is a little bit different than the traditional cable PEG TV, because what you get is, if you live in the southeast Michigan area near Detroit, we're serving approximately 107 communities, or parts of 107 communities. And what you'll be able to do is you will be able to see PEG programs from every one of those communities. I think that's an advantage to a customer, because no longer are our worlds confined to one city. It's much bigger than that. You know, as a Detroit resident, you may have a child who goes to school in Dearborn, so you get a broader perspective.
Does the average PEG viewer, do they transition into becoming more loyal to your and purchase other products from your companies? Is that what you're saying?
What I'm saying is that it's a different product. I don't know that it's too early to tell. We are in our infancy. We are just beginning this product. But I think that our customers will find that it's a robust product, it's an innovative product, and it's a game changer. And the PEG product is different. It's really greater in that you get to get information and watch programming from other communities other than just the one that you live in.
Mr. Cohen, would you answer the question? You had a little bit more experience in this area, so
yeah. As I've said before today, I mean, cable in general and Comcast in particular believes in PEG programming. We believe in the value that PEG programming brings to the community. There have been a couple questions asked about the local nature of programming that appears in PEG channels and its unique or almost unique status. Not necessarily vis-a-vis AT&T or Verizon, but against our satellite competitors. That local content is a competitive differentiator for us, and we think it is a valuable competitive asset, period.
Ms. Torreano, in Chicago, we have the Chicago Access Network Television, or CAN TV, and there are a lot of elderly and other religious people who are in my district, church-going people who like to watch church services on television, other programs similar to those on the cable stations. Will they have as easy access to CAN TV under the UVerse, or would it be more difficult?
I believe it's easier. Everything, you go to channel 99, and channel 99, then when you press OK, it takes you to another menu in which you can watch any of the PEG programming in the Chicago area. And if, in fact, CAN is the program that you've watched previously, when you turn it back on, we now have the ability for the program, the CAN programming will come right up, and so that it'll be right there for you.
What is the quality of the video for the CAN TV and PEG programming? Or has the quality of the video been compromised on UVerse, or does it remain as it presently exists under the current system? Will it be? I understand that there are some problems in terms of the quality of the video. That under the UVerse the quality is less vibrant, and that the quality has been compromised tremendously. Is that true?
I don't believe so. We have had others have said that it is, but I think our PEG programming, the quality of it is comparable to PEG programming that you see on the cable network. But that is an issue, again, that our communities have expressed to us. Me particular, I'm talking to our communities on a weekly basis, and so yes, I have heard that.
Suppose I only have a few. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I yield back the balance.
I apologize to John, but you're 6 minutes right now, and I think the roll call is going to be going off pretty quickly. But if we want, we can come back and have a lightning round of 2 minutes apiece if you'd like.